So here in this problem, we need to simplify the value of this given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. For simplifying this particular expression, we'll have to use the law of cosines, which is stated here. We have a triangle ABC. Here, the sides opposite to angle ABC are represented by the letters A, B, and C in lowercase. So we have cosine of A, cosine of B, and cosine of C represented in terms of the respective sides. So let us begin. So here we have a minus b whole square. So let's expand this. We're going to get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared multiplied to cosine squared c over 2. Plus we have a plus b whole squared in the second term. So we'll expand it to get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared multiplied to sine squared c over 2. Now we'll further simplify to get a squared plus b squared multiplied to cosine squared c over 2, and we have negative 2ab multiplied to cosine squared c over 2. Then we can rewrite a squared plus 2ab plus b squared multiplied to sine squared c as a squared plus b squared times sine squared c over 2 plus 2ab multiplied to sine squared c over 2. Right. Now we could consider the first and the third term, and if we take a squared plus b squared as a common factor, so that gets multiplied to cosine squared c over 2 plus sine squared c over 2. Now we're going to combine the second and the fourth term. For that, let's first take negative 2ab as the common factor, so that will get multiplied to cosine squared c over 2 minus sine squared c over 2. Now furthermore, we have an identity here. So here the identity being that cosine squared c over 2 plus sine squared c over 2, that's value is simply equals to 1. So we have a squared plus b squared multiplied to 1 minus 2 times ab. So here cosine squared c over 2 minus sine squared c over 2, that's an identity with value cosine c. Now what's 2ab cosine c? So if we consider the law of cosines, then value of cosine c, which is given here, if we cross multiply both 2ab with cosine c, then 2ab cosine c is going to be replaced with a squared plus b squared minus c squared. So let's use that value. So we have a squared plus b squared minus a squared plus b squared minus c squared, and this gives us the value c squared. So that means the simplified value of the trigonometric expression, this will be equals to c squared.